Hi, I'm Leslie Rose. I enjoy growing perennial plants because I find it very rewarding when they come back to your garden year after year. Over time, they start to thrive and really put on a spectacular show. There's lots of great reasons to grow perennial plants, and I wanted to share some of those with you today. First, you don't have to replant perennial plants every year because they will come back. When you take care of them, perennial plants will grow back from storage in their roots, crowns, or woody stems. That way you have a plant that returns to the garden without the work of replanting it each year. Over time, perennial plants will establish in your yard and take up a bigger footprint. Eventually, you may decide to divide your plant. This can give you free plants to move around your yard or share with your friends. If you have a challenging spot in your yard, say a spot that's very shady or very wet, sometimes it can be hard to get plants to grow there. Usually there's a perennial plant that will fit that spot. If you choose the right plant, a perennial plant can be great in those challenging areas of your yard. Native perennial plants are great for attracting wildlife to your yard. If you want to watch birds or butterflies, a native perennial plant can be a great way to attract them. Perennial plants can provide flowers, fruit, foliage, and other interesting features in your yard, and they'll be great for you as well as those creatures visiting your yard. Native plants are especially great because they're well adapted to our area, so you know they'll do well in the climate we have here. There are just so many reasons to consider adding perennial plants to your yard. I hope you'll try it.